សួស្តីបងប្អូនកូនគួរទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះធ្វើភ្លាត្រី salmon. Today I'm going to show you how to make salmon salad. I will be using 1/2 of the salmon. ខ្ញុំប្រើសាច់ត្រី salmon មួយកណាត់ណាបងប្អូន I'm going to cut into 4 sections. And I'm going to clean the salmon first. ខ្ញុំសម្អាតត្រីនឹងសិនណា I'm going to sprinkle with a good amount of salt, a little bit of vinegar. ដាក់ទឹកខ្មេះបន្តិចមកយើងលាងត្រីនឹងឲ្យវាស្អាតណាបងប្អូនឲ្យវាអស់ឆ្អាប Okay, just gonna kind of rub it. Okay, let's just give them a good wash. យកទៅលាងទឹកឲ្យស្អាត It's nice and clean. I'm going to pat it dry with paper towel. Okay, and then I'm going to put this in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Kind of firm up the salmon. ខ្ញុំយកទៅដាក់ទូកក់ប្រហែលជា10នាទីបងប្អូន Prepare some ginger. យើងយកមើមខ្ញីស្រស់ហ្នឹងណាបងប្អូន 1 piece of shallot. ខ្ទឹមក្រហមមួយមើម I'm using 3 red chili. You can do more or less. 1 Persian cucumber. ត្រសក់មួយ A little bit of cilantro. ជីវ៉ាន់ស៊ុយបន្តិច 2 limes. 2 teaspoons of salt. អំបិល 2 ស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ 1 teaspoon of sugar. ស្ករស 1 ស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេ and a little bit of MSG. ប៊ីចេងបន្តិច some lime juice. Give them a mix. យើងច្បល់វាឲ្យចូលគ្រឿងសព្វណាចូលនឹងអំបិលនិងស្ករហ្នឹង Keep in refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. ខ្ញុំយកដាក់ទូត្រជាក់ប្រហែលជា15ទៅ20នាទី Yeah. I'm gonna do a little bit of ginger first, maybe half of it. Whatever left, I'm gonna use it for cooking.ហើយយើងច្បល់ចូលគ្នាឲ្យសព្វមកបងប្អូន I'm going to give it a taste. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Just a little bit. Some toasted sesame seed. ល្ងលីង I'm gonna add some finger lime. These are perfect with salmon. ក្រូចឆ្មាម្រាមដៃ You can get this at the store. I have them in my backyard. Ooh, it looked like eggs. Okay. This will give a nice crunch.